What's up, guys? So this is the start of my project here. We got a 94 Banshee. The frame is a 94. The engine is actually from a 98. It's not in that bad a shape, but it could use some work. Real dirty at the moment. I'm gonna do take the frame, take it down to the frame, clean up all the rust and all the scratches, shitty welds. I don't know what that is, why it's there, why they didn't take it apart, and whatever shit like that. It has an extended rail on it, and the engine was bored. That's what the previous owner told me. It was bored out to, I can't remember if it was 362 or 372, but it is fast, I'll tell you that. So right now the goals are tear it apart to the frame, clean up the frame nice. I actually hit a tree in Pennsylvania. I was hauling ass around a corner when the inside of this tire caught a tree and it broke my tie rod end completely off. I replaced it by now, yeah, but you can see the lower control arm is bent and the wheel itself, it threw it off balance big time. So when you drive it, it wobbles extremely bad. I actually just bought these tires last year and it's still really good. But that is the goal. Basically cleaning this up to make it look good. I want to sell it, and at its current condition right now, it will sell, yeah, but I want it to be a quick sale, and I think I can do it here. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so here we have it without all the plastic and gas tank and the radiator. Oh, and one of the exhausts, the mufflers. I don't know how they did this. But that bolt in there, you can't get a wrench on it. I mean, look how big it is compared to my finger. The space is tiny. Yeah, you can't get a bolt, a wrench on that. So, I've got a feeling I'm gonna cut this off. Just cut that off there. Yeah, you can see how badly rusted this is. Some super crappy welds. Yeah, they put the star in for Rockstar into the frame. They don't look bad, but they did a half-ass job doing it, I'll tell you that. But this is probably the original color of it, where somebody painted it black, which is the color I'm going to paint it. I'm going to use engine enamel because I heard it's a little bit stronger than your typical spray paint. Made one hell of a mess up 3/8er. I'll have to put some cat litter down just to see. So this is basically my update so far.